लोकसभा के बाद राज्यसभा में भी संविधान पर चर्चा हुई, लेकिन इससे पहले सदन में नए सांसदों ने शपथ ग्रहण की, जिसके बाद राज्यसभा के सभापति जगदीप धनखड़ ने दिवंगत नेताओं को याद किया और मौन रखकर उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि दी।
I refer with profound sorrow to the passing away of former members of this august house, Shri Gopal Vyas and Dr. K. Malaisamy. Shri Gopal Vyas passed away on the 7th of November 2024. He served as a member of this House, representing the state of Chhattisgarh from 2006 to 2012. Born on 15th February 1932 in Nagpur district of Rajasthan, Malaisamy passed away on the 6th of November 2024. He served as a member of this House, representing the state of Tamil Nadu from 2004 to 2010.
दिवंगत नेताओं को श्रद्धांजलि देने के बाद किरण रिजिजू, राजभूषण चौधरी सहित कई सांसदों ने सदन के पटल पर अपना प्रस्ताव रखा, जिसके बाद सदन में भारत के संविधान की 75 साल की गौरवशाली यात्रा पर चर्चा शुरू हुई, जिसकी शुरुआत केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने की, जिन्होंने संविधान पर चर्चा करते हुए कई बातें रखी और इस दौरान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का भी उन्होंने आभार जताया।
Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir.
Honorable Minister, honorable members, time will not be a constraint. In the Lok Sabha, the debate was fructifying in terms of time as well. I will accommodate as many as speakers who may be keen to contribute, and towards that we will be increasing the time. I will report that at 2 p.m. today. Thank you. Nirmala Sitharaman.
Thank you very much, sir. So let me first start by thanking the Honorable Prime Minister, the Leader of the House, Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda, my party, and you, the Honorable Chairman, for giving me this opportunity.
सदन को संबोधित करते हुए निर्मला सीतारमण ने डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर के शब्दों का जिक्र किया और कहा कि भीमराव अंबेडकर ने कहा था कि हमारे देश का संविधान किसी भी व्यक्ति के नेचर पर निर्भर करता है। अगर ये किसी गलत व्यक्ति के हाथ में जाता है तो लोग इसका गलत इस्तेमाल करते हैं, वहीं अगर ये सही व्यक्ति के हाथ में जाता है तो इसका सही इस्तेमाल होता है।
Going by the words of Dr. Ambedkar, if you had good people who are called to work on it, give good outcomes. If you have, I'm using Ambedkar's words, bad people who are brought to work on it happen to give such outcomes which are discussed. So if I move to talking about those amendments which have gone through these 4 tests, we'll be able to see how the intent and the outcome are justifiable and people in the history books do write about them. Sequentially, because it is the first ever amendment, I'd like to take about the first Constitutional Amendment Act of 1951. So it's been said, and Honorable Prime Minister, while talking in the Lok Sabha, also referred to the fact that there was an interim government